Do you know why India was once called the Golden Bird? It isn't just a fairy tale, but a proud truth of our history. Today we're going to dive into the real reasons behind that. This name, it's a symbol of our ancient prosperity and that golden era of splendor. Let's see how our country used to be the economic heart of the world. Ancient India was the hub for merchants from all over the globe. Because of our immense wealth, we had an unlimited supply of cotton, spices, and precious stones. In fact, the rest of the world would trade their gold just to get our products. Even the walls and statues of our temples were covered in massive amounts of gold. And this prosperity wasn't just for the wealthy, it was for our entire society. Back then, India was the true powerhouse of the global economy. Historians from that era actually wrote that because of trade, most of the world's gold ended up right here in India. Our education, our culture, and our wealth made us a nation that guided the world. See, Golden Bird didn't just mean money, it represented our limitless potential for growth. Even though we're moving forward today, this legacy from our history still inspires us. The soil of our country holds the power to reach those same heights all over again. This glorious past reminds us of who we were, and more importantly, what we can become in the future.